Hello everyone, my name is Mohit. I welcome you all in MongoDB series. In previous videos, we have seen installation, MongoDB's features, what are the problem that MongoDB can solve. Okay, in this video, we will see some basic hands-on stuff. How to make collection, how to see collection, how to use DBs, how to create DB. Okay, let's start this session. First, these are the MongoDB types. So in the MongoDB, you can use string, integer, boolean, double, mean, max key, arrays. Arrays are like a list. If you compare MongoDB with Python, so then you can see looks like list, object, null, symbol, date. Mostly we use string, integer, boolean, date, array. Okay, we will see as the procedural chapter. Now let's see how to create DBs. So first of all, if you have already created DBs, so in order to enter Mongo, we use Mongo shell. So if, consider I want to see all the DBs. Show DBs. So this is the DB command. So same like MySQL or SQL, show DBs. So I have created some DBs like Mohit, Intel. So test is already created by the MongoDB. So you can see test, admin. These are the MongoDB already present database, admin, test. Okay, now let's see if you want to create your own DB. So just use command use and give any name of your choice. Consider my database. Okay, switch to the DB. Okay, so now we are at the my databases. Okay, in order to retain it, consider if I exit it and go to Mongo again and check show DBs. Show DBs. See, there is no my database. Okay, you have created, but you have not inserted any collection. So that's why MongoDB deletes that. So first of all, create, and in this one, we need to create one collection at least. So collection is what? Collection is a table here. Again, in MySQL, we use table. So in MongoDB, we use collection. So db dot first of all give any collection name like I want to insert the record for mm, processor. You can give any name here of your choice like amp for the employees record amp and insert a dummy record. Any record you can insert, simple record like I want to insert amp name, just writing name. So this is the key and its value is ABC. Done. Right, inserted, good news, exit, again Mongo, show DBs. You can see my database. So use my database. So sorry, use my database. Show collections, and I want to show all the collections. So we have already created one EMP. If you want to see what are the contents of EMP, you can use db dot emp its name, then find. We have inserted one record. You can see name ABC, and this is the ID. It's like a primary key here. Okay, in MySQL you have learned about something like primary key or ID something. So here automatically generated by the MongoDB. Okay, so these are the basic stuff: how to use database, how to create collection, and how to see the collection. So in this way you can insert the record. Consider I want to insert a document D. I'm saying D is like a brand. I want to create a brand for the processor. So I'm just writing brand name, use Intel, its generation. So I use generation, colon, generation is like I said 10th generation. Okay, so this is one record D equal to this one, and I want to insert this in the employee, or you can use any database like uh, processors, insert D. So we have created D earlier. I'm inserting in the processor collection. In order to check the processor collection, processor.find. So you can see the record here. Okay, so this is the insertion. Now consider I want to drop it. Okay, in order to drop a collection, use db dot drop, sorry, db dot collection name processor dot drop. Done. It's like a delete. So good news, true. Let's see, show collections. Now nothing like processor. Okay, only amp. So in this way you can create, delete and insert the record or insert the collection. Now let's see how to create, how to insert multiple records. There are load of command like insert many, blah blah blah. But you can use just only one command, insert. Okay, you create a multiple record. I want to create, so in the list, so in this one, in the array, you can see this is square bracket and this is document in the curly braces, like brand, brand, Intel and Intel brand, generation, 10th generation, one more record. Sorry, this is done. One more record. So I'm talking about the brand. Brand is AMD, and here comma generation 10th. Okay, just for understanding, I'm create two records. So I have two records. I want to insert these two record to our MongoDB, right? So I'm creating one more collection, or you can use already existing collection. No issue. Syntax would be same. Like brand, I'm creating brand new collection, or I can say you processors again, insert. Now this time we need to insert this complete array, or you can say complete list D. Now message is different this time, inserted. Okay, and you can see this message bulk write result means we are inserting more than one record. So that's why bulk write result. And good news is inserted. You can check by using the find. Okay, so in this way you can see ID already generated here, automatic generated here, brand Intel generation, brand AMD generation. If you want to see it in pretty way, you can use pretty. So now just beautification purpose, I'm using this command pretty. So ID like this, brand Intel generation. Okay. So in this way you can insert the record. So this is like a primary key. We will discuss later. But consider if you don't like this kind of stuff, object ID, if you want to give your own stuff, now you can give it like this one. So I am inserting one more record here. So I'm just passing ID is what ID must be ID1 and brand like Moto processor. So I'm using Moto. I'm creating only one record because this is schemaless. No need to create all the record like generation brand. If I have only the brand, so just insert brand. Or if consider if I have another like a touch or touch screen. So if graphic GPU, so I'm using GPU. So if I'm writing Snapdragon, okay, Snap only Snapd. Good news inserted db.find. So now you can see I have created this time ID manually, not automatically generated because I explicitly gave this ID. Okay, but make sure this ID must be unique. Okay, if I try to give same record again, I'm changing the name here. Moto, I'm saying it's Samsung. ID same. Now I'm getting error. What kind of error? Error is duplicate key error because I'm using the same key again. Okay, I think you got my point. So don't use the same key again. If you are giving it manually, then take care of this one. So in this way, you can insert multiple record, give ID explicitly, find means in to see the record. So this find works like same like when we use select star from this table. So select star from this table is a MySQL command. So here we use find db collection name and find. Okay, friends. In the next video, we will see some more features. Practice this one on your computer. And if you found this video very useful, please share this video, like the video, and press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. And stay tuned for our next video. Bye bye.